Earlier this year, the U.S. House of Representatives passed the America Competes Act of 2022. The Industrial Act specifically allocates $500 million for media outlets to smear China. This bill echoes the U.S. Innovation and Competition Act of 2021, another hawkish bill against China passed by the U.S. Senate in June last year, which authorized $300 million to be appropriated for each fiscal year through 2026 to counter China's influence globally. A Philippine researcher says it is just another U.S. move to further contain China, and would eventually hurt its own interests as well as consumers across the world.
When you talk about the United States, it's been known, no, that they really is trying. The U.S. is really trying to contain China's rise, no, as a contending power, not only in the Indo-Pacific region, but even across the world, no, or globally speaking. So this Innovation and Competition Act is just one of that. It's really their quest to contain China and to preserve their dominance in the world. Especially in the region, in the Asia-Pacific region. So that's why they're creating bills or what you call legislations like this. But the bottom line of that is really to contain China. The way I see it, this kind of move from the United States would not only hurt consumers across the world, but it will hurt them. It will hurt them domestically speaking. No, it's them that will face the consequences of their own actions. And let's stop trade war. I think if the U.S. really wants to have good relation with China, then I think it has also to reach out to China and try to agree also on certain principles.